Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to give you a quick example of how you can scrape a data table off the web and combine it with other information to provide the data you need. So here we have the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio, and we have an HTML table of data, and here we have an Excel spreadsheet with additional information on the NASDAQ symbols. To scrape the web data, click on the start of the table, drag, and then shift click on the end of the table to select the whole table, and then just drag it onto Easy Data Transform. So now we have all the data in the software. We can turn the header on and off. Let's leave it on, and let's drag on the file of NASDAQ information. And we want to join these two data tables using their symbol columns. So now we have the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio with additional columns for market cap, country, IPO year, and so on. Finally, let's output that to a file. We're done. Easy Data Transform has many different operations for different types of data wrangling. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds, and you don't even have to give us your email address.